Let's start her up. Idles nicely. Temperature, battery. Oil pressure. Vacuum at idle. Pretty strong vacuum. Oil pressure response as the RPM goes up. We shift it. Now in gear. Pretty standard. There's the vehicle it's coming out of. Has all power accessories. The pulley and the power steering pump down low. It seals have kind of gone bad and it wants to squeak a little bit. Rebuild, or a couple bucks from Summit, get a new power steering pump. But yeah, the engine itself, it idles nice. This is with a rebuilt Quadrajet carburetor. I'm keeping this carburetor, but I have an identical Quadrajet to go with it. The Quadrajet that goes with the engine is not rebuilt professionally. I worked it a little bit myself. It works fine, but probably could be more completely gone through. But it works fine. Has a good healthy exhaust note. It's a good running engine. It sounds nice. It's just, low compression, makes maybe 280 horsepower.